Good morning, grade 7th. How are you? So today we will do chapter number 3, exercise 1. See the conjugale verb. Okay, some verbs are given, these verbs. We have to see these verbs and see the pronouns. These are the pronouns. Okay, and conjugate according to these pronouns. Okay, like je, tu, il, elle, vous. Okay, nous, vous. We have to see these pronouns. Okay, according to that we have to complete. So see the first one, L, Abit Delhi. Okay, she live in Delhi. So Abit is the conjugation of this verb. Okay. So B part, Jerome et Susan écoute la radio. Radio is radio. Écoute is to listen the radio. Okay. They are listening radio. Nous arrivons à l'airport. Okay. À l'airport is airport. Okay. Arrive is to arrive. Okay. Nous use for we. Okay. Then je accept ton invitation. I accept your invitation. So this is okay, acceptable. So E part, Pierre montre ses photos. Montre is to show. Okay, his photos. Pierre is a name. Okay. Then vous marchez sur la. Okay. Wait. So see the F part. Vous marchez sur le trottoir. So marcher is to walk. Sur la, that this is like footpath. Okay. So you walk on the footpath. This is footpath. Ria et Pia ferme la porte. Ferme is to close. La porte is a door. Okay. See the second conjugale verb, entre parents en présent. Okay. These are the verbs given. So same we have to see the pronouns. These are the pronouns. Okay. This one. Okay. So we have to see the masculine, feminine, singular forms, plural forms. Okay. So see the first, Manuel choisit un gilt brun. Okay, gilt is your that sweater. Okay, woman's sweater. Okay, gilt. Brun is brown. Fine. This is choisir to choose. Okay. P part, je grandis très vite. Okay, grandis is to grow. Très vite is very fast. Okay. C part, Ronit et Mohit finissent leur devoir. Ronit et Mohit finish their homework. Devoir is a homework. Then réussit. Elle réussit à l'examen. Okay, like she success in the exams. Les enfants jouent avec les jouets. Okay, the children play with the toys. Okay, toys, jouets. Then F part, vous garantissez un bon service. Okay, so F part, vous garantissez un bon service. Bon service is a service. Okay, and garantie is guarantee. Okay, so you guarantee a good service. Okay, service is to give service, any type of services. Okay, so this is the question. We have to find out the odd word. Exercise 3. So gilt, t-shirt, pantaloons, jupe, these are the clothes. Okay, this is the woolen. Okay, these are not woolen. Okay. And B part, finis, remplir, grandir, jeune. This one is the odd. C part, this is aeroplane, avion. This one is the odd word. And they gaunt. This one is the odd word. Okay. So this is the exercise 3. Then see the exercise 5. Remplissez les blancs avec l'article indéfini. These are the article indéfini. En used for masculine form, you in used for feminine, and they used for plural form. So see the first one. A. Tu es une fille. Okay. You are a girl. Okay. So, she is a girl. Okay. B. Mari écoute un disque. Okay. Écoute is to listen music. Okay. Disc or CDs. Okay. C. Par. Ce sont des écharpes. Okay. They. Ce sont des écharpes. Ce sont des écharpes. These are scarves. Okay. Then D part. Je un livre bleu. Okay. You say livre bleu is blue. Okay. Livre is a book. Bleu is blue. Okay. J'ai un livre bleu. Okay. Then E part. Mon frère porte un manteau. Okay. Frère is a brother. Porte is to wear. Okay. Manteau is coat. Okay. So long coat. So this is your exercise 5. And then see the exercise 6. So we have already done so many times this être verb or an avoir verb. So like we have to fill the according to the pronouns and the sense of the sentence. Like je suis un garçon, I am a boy. Manuel va en marché, and one is aller verb they have added. So être var and aller verb. So Manuel va en cinéma. Manuel go to market, marché. Manuel va en marché. C part. Ce sont des pantalons. And these are trousers. Okay. Elle a 11 ans. Okay. She is 11-year-old. Nous sommes en France. We are French. And les amis sont à l'école. The friends go to the school. Okay. Tu es Indien. You are Indian. Je une robe jaune. Okay. I have a yellow dress. Okay. Priya est intelligent. Priya is intelligent. Mark est Mari on une voiture. Mark and Mari have a car. Okay. And then see the exercise number 7. Remplissez les blancs avec l'article défini le, la, les. Okay. First is voilà. Voilà is the expression word. Okay. La chambre de ma sœur. This is article défini. Le used for masculine, la used for feminine, les used for plural, and l'apostrophe comes when the word is started with vowel or h. Okay. Here we have to see the word after the blank. A chambre is there. Chambre is a room. Okay. And so it's a feminine form. So the room of my sister. Sir is a sister. Okay. All the meaning is the. All these words meaning is the. Okay. B. Les filles aiment le chocolat. The girls, plural forms. That's why the girls like chocolate. Elle déteste la lait. Okay. She hate milk. Lait is a milk. D part. Le soir je vais en cinéma. Soir is a evening and I go to cinema. Je regarde la télévision. Okay. I regard is to watch. Okay. I'm watching TV. Okay. Regard is to watch. Television is television. Okay. So please complete your reading book. Complete these exercises. Okay. Thank you. Take care, everyone.